Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background of our photo using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we need to open our Photoshop application on our mobile phone. And after we have this Photoshop application opened, we can choose a photo once you remove the background on. For instance, I'm going to remove the background of this photo. So I'm going to click on this photo and then we can go to the background menu or background feature on our Photoshop, this one. Click on this option and then you just need to go to the actions right here and select the remove background. Okay, now as you can see guys that the background has been removed and the background has to be clear so the Photoshop will give you the best result. And then once you're done to saving your photo, you just need to click on this icon and then the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove a background on Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.